How to make mayonnaise. 2 yolks, 1 tablespoon spicy mustard, 250 milliliters of vegetable oil, 2 tablespoons white wine vinegar or lemon juice, salt, freshly ground white pepper. Combine the yolks in a deep bowl with a whisk. They should be at room temperature, with salt, pepper and mustard. Continuing to beat, at first literally dropwise, then, when the emulsion begins to form, pour in a thin stream of vegetable oil. When the mixture begins to thicken, pour the oil bolder, but without stopping whipping. Add lemon juice or vinegar, stir and season to taste. If the sauce is too thick, add a little warm water and stir. Mayonnaise is very quick and easy to make with a hand blender. To prevent the mayonnaise from curling when whipping, make sure that all the ingredients are at room temperature.